Hello there, this is Nat from Artnovion. We're in Barcelona at IC 2023. We're showcasing some of our range of products, and one of those is the CS line. Now, the CS line is a dedicated range of panels for creating and designing home cinema environments. It differentiates itself from our rest of the products because it's made out of two main components. We have a certain acoustic core, we have a range of absorbers, diffusers, bass traps, and then we have certain decorative covers, I would say, that can be used over those cores. We have some of our trademark designs here. We have the Komodo CS and the Sienna CS. Besides these woods, we also have the traditional fabrics. We have Helen and the new Valley design. So the main thing about this system is we can completely separate the technical side. We can design and tune a room with certain cores and then complement the aesthetics to what the customer wants with these decorative fronts. One of the main new releases this year at ISE is the Cosmos CS. Now, Cosmos is a modular Starlight panel, which you can see above me here. The main differentiating point of Cosmos CS to other Starlight panels is its simplicity. We essentially have one master panel, and then all of the other panels are daisy chains off that first master panel. So it's an RGB CAN-led system, so the panels simply connect to each other through a lead, and it's very easy to configure into large arrays. It comes with its own app, which we then control, full RGB control, and we can also choose a series of different LED effects, lighting, the proper Starlight effects. This can also be easily integrated into other domotic control systems. So anyway, for more information about our CS line and the new Cosmos, check out our website at artnovion.com.